Wait, don't scroll. If you love rich, thick, proper Nigerian soup, this might just be the most mouth-watering assorted meat, vegetable soup you will see today. I mean, on the street of internet. And the best part, I'm about to show you exactly how I made it from scratch. Hey, my cocoa nibs, welcome back to my kitchen, where we don't just cook, we create magic. Today's recipe, let's just say, this is the kind of soup that makes everyone suddenly remember they are hungry. If you love bold flavors and meals that brings people running to the kitchen, then stay right here with me. So let's begin, because every great soup starts with a powerful base. Into a blender, I added fresh pepper, red scotch bonnet, yellow scotch bonnet, and onion. Now listen, this combination right here, that's what the real flavor is hiding. Blend it roughly, and just like that, our journey has begun. Now into my pot, I went all in assorted meats. Snail, yes, we are not here to play today. Added seasoning, some of the fresh pepper mix, and water. Give everything a good stir, and the aroma already. I know this soup was about to be something serious, because cover it up and let it cook. After 15 minutes, I moved the meat and snail carefully, but listen carefully. That stock, don't you dare throw it away. That is liquid gold, and we're about to use it to build magic. In another pot, added palm oil, not too hot, just enough to wake up that rich aroma. Then onions went in, and that smell, it occupies everywhere. At this point, if someone walks into your kitchen or into your apartment, just know they are not leaving anytime soon. Then I added locust beans, and this is where everything changes. I let it fry gently, allowing all those deep local flavor to come alive. This step, don't rush it. This is what gives your soup that. What did you put inside this taste? Now I poured in that blended pepper mix, stirred everything together, and the color, beautiful. Then in went stockfish, momo, seasoning, and of course our cooked meat. At this point, I just smiled because I knew we were getting close. I gave it a good stir, covered it, and let everything cook together. Then slowly, you start seeing that oil rising to the top. That's right there. That's your sign. Your soup is coming together perfectly. Now, it's time for the queen of the pot. Fresh green vegetables, tete. Added it in, but wait, don't rush to stir. Let it sit, let it steam, let it soak in all that goodness. After 2 minutes, I finally stirred everything together. And my cocoa nibs, when I say something was properly jellified, I mean every single bite. If you're enjoying this already, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with someone who loves good food, and please drop a comment. I want to know if you try this, because it's vegetable soup. Don't overcook it. I portioned mine, and honestly, this soup didn't last long at all. Everybody kept coming back for more. So my cocoa nibs, be honest, are you trying this, or are you already craving it? Tell me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll be making something even more irresistible. And my cocoa nibs, thanks for watching. See you again in another delicious recipe. Bye.
In the kitchen light, we gather round. Food lover diary where magic's found. Bold flavors dance, innovative twist. From simple bites to a feast we can't resist. Moms in the lead, kids by your side, creating memories with love as our guide. Whisk it up, let the creativity flow. Every meal's a story ready to grow. Oh, food lover diary, feel the fun ignite. Love for food so pure, shining oh so bright. Creative hearts unite in every bite we take. Bold and innovative, for family's sake. Deary, let's make it real. Food lover dairy, the ultimate thrill. From breakfast dreams to dinner delights, innovate with veggies under starry nights. Mom's got the power, family's hand in hand, turning ordinary into something grand.